You're looking at a 1999 Entwistle Company MIL-T-83808 4x2 Flightline aircraft tow tractor. 31,149 miles on the odometer and 3,752.8 hours on the meter. Powered by a Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Driven through an automatic transmission. Vehicle starts, runs, and drives, equipped with manual windows, door locks, mirrors, and working AC and heat. Sold as is, where is. Buy removal is by appointment only. Liquidity Services, a better future for surplus.